Thank you. Hello, welcome to another video. This is Moto Dean, and today we'll talk about something that's going around the motorcycle community. It is about the registration of top boxes, or what they call saddlebags. And I've been asked this question a couple of times by fellow riders, and of course, like the one in front of me right there, there's a top box on a motorcycle. And as a good diligent lawyer, I had to do my share of the research, or this research, on what are the regulations regarding top boxes or storage boxes on motorcycles, whether saddlebags or top boxes. All right, as a indulge me a little bit, let me be a professor, which is my day job. Sorry, night job. Every regulation issued by a department, here it will be the attached agency called the Land Transportation Office, or the LTO. Whatever they issue, whatever regulations, memorandums, or whatever issuance they may have that creates a obligation on a rider, on the affected people to either do something, register something, or not to do something. Each regulation, each memorandum, each issuance must be supported by what lawyers call an enabling law. Meaning there is a law created by the legislature that gives the power to the attached agencies on what they can issue out, what they can, let's say, what they can regulate. And the Land Transportation Office is governed by, let me put up the law right here, the exact law and its amendments, so to speak. And I'll cite here, and of course also the description below. Here's the title of the, right up here, the regulation concerning the top boxes. It's a 2016 issuance, and it states there certain rules and regulations regarding top boxes, just like this one right there. All right, as far as how far I look back into the laws and regulations, and if someone out there sees something that I didn't, please correct me. I am willing to stand corrected. There is no specific provision of the law that regulates, restricts, or prohibits top boxes. Just like that one over there. And the closest I could find was under the motorcycles for an enabling law. There should be regulations on those that affect motorcycle safety. Oh, must be in a hurry. So for top boxes to be regulated, to be restricted, or to oblige the riders to register, the top boxes must compromise rider safety. So I see no link with regards to top boxes and the danger it might bring. I did find a regulation stating the size of any accessories should not, put the actual link up here, the actual description, the size of whatever accessories they may have. That being said, there is no provision of the law that says if you're gonna have a top box, if you're gonna have a storage box with your motorcycle as an accessory, it must be registered. I don't think that's supported by law. I don't see it at all. The relevant provisions I saw does not cover top boxes specifically. And you must remember, guys, that a law or regulation must be specific as to its restrictions, as to its obligations, because failure to comply with the obligations, failure to, or the violation of such, if it creates a consequence such as a penalty, a fine, that has to be a law, because that is a element of police power. And for police power to be legit, there must be a law. Of course, every law would say that every government has an inherent police power. That is true, but that's regarding regular law and order, peace and order. I see no link, I see no connection between peace and order and top boxes or saddlebags, for lack of a better phrase. So in my opinion, again, this is just an opinion, of course it's supported by my research, and if I stand to be corrected, I will correct myself. I will admit the error. Top boxes cannot be regulated without a law. I'm not saying they will never be regulated. They can, as long as Congress makes a law that regulates anything. Then this video would be moot, but I see none. In fact, the law that regulates traffic right now, the flow, the ebb and flow of motor vehicles, is Republic Act 4136, which was made before during our grandfather's time, maybe for some of you great grandfather. So again, in my humble opinion, I believe that 2016 issuance of the LTO is not supported by law. It does cite laws in the last part of the issuance, but that law just tells what else they can apprehend, what else they can catch. So again, I think that this issuance, again, let me cite the reference up here, is not supported by law. But you know, the caveat there is that it is valid unless somebody contests it, and I can only give a legal opinion on what it means, its value, its validity, but it's still in the books. It's still a current or outstanding issuance. Therefore, if one gets caught, the police or the apprehending authority has the basis, has the authority to catch you with it. So there, it's like a two-edged sword in a sense. I will stand for its what's the word? I stand for its eligibility as a valid issuance, because I say there's no law supporting it, but it'll only be invalidated, it'll only be written off the books if somebody contests it. And the only way somebody can contest it is if somebody is affected by it. So as you can see from the photos of my bike, I have no top box, I have no saddlebag. Therefore, I will not be affected by such issuance. So, am I saying is what I'm saying useless? Not necessarily. I can't help it. I'm a lawyer and a professor. I gotta say my piece. That is the danger of my profession and my job. So, again, I hope you learned something from this video. If you give me a chance, I can make more videos like this. Support me if you can by liking this video, sharing it if you desire, and what's really going to help me a lot, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, is to hit that subscribe button. Is it here or is it here? Well, anyway, on the corner there, that red button down below my video, and of course in the corner of my video there's a little icon. You can click that to subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it'll help my channel grow, and it'll make me more videos like this. Please please feel free to explore my channel, see my other videos, and I hope you pick something up. Again, this is Moto Dean saying, it's not what you know, it's what they don't know. Ride safe always, guys.
Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.